Humatics is a company that provides a highly precise, high-fidelity microlocation system that enables information to be extracted about the location of high-value assets in relation to other objects. So in this example, what we're doing is we're able to provide locational data with sub-millimeter precision that is then fed directly into robotic systems that allows the robotic systems to dynamically interact with our work product. Behind me, what you're seeing is two robotic systems from Universal Robots with Atlas Copco end effectors to facilitate in-motion bolt torquing so that a facility that has a manufacturing line can now start using robotic systems for in-motion assembly. And radio frequency facilitates that because of its ability to provide a high volume of data, very precise data, to facilitate that very, very granular control.